Hello everyone. So in this video I will walk you through how to create an ingress object and how to secure an ingress object. So when I say to create an ingress object, the initial communication will happen over HTTP and the communication will be insecure. So there will be no SSL certificate or HTTPS connection. But once I create an ingress object and show how it works, then I will go ahead and do secure the ingress object, and the communication from that point onwards will happen over HTTPS. That means the communication will happen over SSL certificates, and this topic is related to Certified Kubernetes Security Specialist exam. So it will cover both the topics: how to create an ingress and how to secure an ingress. So first step, if you don't have any Nginx Ingress Controller installed, so go ahead and copy the second command. I have given the delete command as well, just in case if you want to perform any kind of cleanup from your Kubernetes cluster. But if you are doing it for the first time, go ahead and apply this YAML file. This will go install the Nginx Ingress Controller. Also, I have commented that I am not performing this step in my cluster because this is like a most time consuming step in this whole demo. So I'm skipping this step. I have already applied this Nginx Ingress Controller. So I will skip this step, and next is first I will go ahead and create a demo deployment. So you will see all the steps. I have put the delete as well, but please ignore it if you are doing it for the first time. But if you are trying to recreate it or run this lab many times, you can. That's why I have kept the delete command as well. I find it more efficient to keep it at the same time. But if you just copy paste it directly, it wouldn't harm. The first command will be just ignored. So I will create the deployment first. And this deployment, what it does, it's basically taking the HTTPD web server and running it on port 80, and this deployment has one replica. Next is I will create the service. So for that we can just do kubectl expose deployment followed by the deployment name, and we can provide a name for our service. So in this case I'm just calling it demo svc. So I will copy paste this as well, and this will create the service. So expose will actually create the service. Next I will do kubectl create ingress object, and this is the name of the object, demo-ingress, and I'm providing a class name Nginx. So this class name should match as per the Nginx Ingress Controller because I'm using that. So I know beforehand that this is the name of the class, and I'm just giving one rule. So this rule is saying any path that is slash, if the traffic is coming to this path, go to demo svc, this service, demo svc service port 80. So just go ahead and forward the traffic to that service which is running on port 80, because I already created a deployment and a service. So this ingress object is like a front end to the backend service. So I'll copy this and paste it. So if you just want to see the YAML file, you can just do like this as well. So if you wish, you can create the YAML by hand, but I'm not doing that. For the exam also, I would advise that you get comfortable how to do it imperatively, because this will save a lot of time. So at this point the ingress object has been successfully created. And next I will have to note down some ports. So I'm saying note down the HTTP port because I will be doing the test from this point onward. So for this HTTP port, basically Nginx Ingress Controller has this namespace. It's a fixed namespace for when we install the Ingress Controller, and there is a service. This is also fixed service name, Nginx Controller, and this will give me the node port and the service type and all the information that I need to do the fetch that service via curl. So I will paste it. And as I can see, this is not related to the service which we have created. That is the backend service from which we are exposing the HTTPD deployment. But this is how this Nginx controller is running, is a NodePort kind of service. And herein I can see the port. So HTTP port is 30584 and HTTPS 31904, but I just need 30584. So this is my HTTP port, and I'll just copy it. And next I have to do some test. So to do this test, I wanted to there are like two Kubernetes nodes, master and worker, and I'll show you. This is running on in my DigitalOcean. So you can see master has got a 157.247 IP. So this is the public IP. Please remember, this is a public external IP. This is not a private IP. So that's why I can directly communicate from my laptop to this machine. And same for the worker. This 199 is worker, and this is also public external IP, and 247 is master. So you can see master is 247 and 199. So I am just showing you that we can curl, or we can HTTP to the both the master as well worker, because the service is running as NodePort, the Nginx controller service, and that is forwarding the traffic to the backend service which we have deployed, the demo deploy and demo service. So I will copy this and copy this and show you in another terminal. I'll paste it, and the part which I need to change is here. I have to change the port. So I will take the port, copy the port once again from here. It is 30584. So HTTP port 30584 master workers, and I'm just showing that both nodes are reachable through curl. So I just enter, and we can see the output from the our demo deploy in HTTPD image via service. So this is working fine, and this is through HTTP as I mentioned. So first test is for the HTTP, and next we will do the HTTPS. So for to do the HTTPS, we have to generate some certificate for the secret. So first part is to generate the certificate. So I'm just using openssl utility, and I'm just like having a key, Ingress key and Ingress CRT. These are just file names. So key file and CRT file. And here in this particular thing, like this can be the server name. So in this case, this must match the server name of your Kubernetes server or wherever you're deploying. So I'm just giving this as demo.mycompany.com, and this will go ahead and generate the certificate that I would need for the secret in next step. So I'll take this and paste it, and this has created these Ingress certificates. Next I will be creating the secret. So this is to create the secret. So you have to like create kubectl create secret, and usually we give generic. So this time you should give TLS, any name that you wish. It can be any name that you wish to, and just give the key file and the CRT file that we have generated in the previous step. So I'll copy this, and this will create the secret. Next we will recreate the Ingress object for HTTPS. So earlier we created the Ingress for HTTP, but we want to recreate it. So first I will just go ahead and delete the Ingress. Next kubectl create Ingress, name of the Ingress object, class Nginx, and this part is where everything changes. So just give rule and the server name which we have provided in the certificates. So this must match exactly. And I'm saying any path like /star, and the traffic should go to this service which is running on this port 80, and herein the secret which I have just generated in my previous step. So this name must match, and this is a new line like continue. So and you must provide an annotation for this to work, like Nginx ingress kubernetes.io rewrite target /. So copy this and paste it here. So this Ingress object is created now, and now again we have to just note down the other port. Now in this case, this time HTTPS port. So I will copy paste, and I will see the HTTPS port. So I have to, this time I have to take other one, 31904, and I will be doing the test with HTTPS port. So everything is same, just in this case I am saying curl the server name, host CN name. So certificate has demo.mycompany.com, so this must match, and port. So port is I will be replacing the port. So just do curl to this one, and this is a way to like to do a DNS resolve in the same like command way. Otherwise you can edit the host file and all, but this is like temporary way just to test. So I'm just saying resolve. So demo.company.com HTTPS port. So this whole thing, right, this part is matching exactly, and then colon and the IP, external IP of master. So master IP is not changing. So if you do like this, it should resolve, and this time is you will note it is HTTPS. That's why we have to like do a resolve, and this K is for, because it's a self-signed certificate, so I'm just saying K, and V is for verbose. So I'll copy this whole thing and go to the other terminal and paste it, and now I have to copy paste the other port, 31904. So I'll copy this and come here, paste it here, 31904, and I'll enter. So you see, even with HTTPS, the connection is successful, it works, and same for the other one. So the master, it works, and worker also, it works fine. So both of them, it works fine with HTTPS also. So this is just a way to test HTTPS without doing anything at the host level or certificates. This is because it's all self-signed certificate, so you can see all the information coming through. So all is well and good. So that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.